Hey guys, before we start our roleplay, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on my notifications. So today's roleplay, me and my sister are going to just becoming friends in this roleplay. Plus we're going to be becoming rich with no parents, right? Yep. Let's get started. Hey bestie. Hey. So what are you doing this weekend? Well, we're rich together. Yeah. What about it? Wait. What about it? What about it? Yeah, what about it? Like anything? Maybe we meet at my house and I make the video and we will make the video to post online how we make our skin so smooth on our vlog. You wanna come at my house though? No, let's just go to my house because we're supposed to use 3 sofas with washing faces. Okay. Wait, what do you have to use it? Never mind. Let's just meet at my house, okay? Okay. Okay, got it. I got it. Okay, so maybe today after school in the afternoon? Sure, I guess. Okay, so let's head to school. Okay. So let's school's go. This way, right? No, this way. Yeah. Let's just grab out our bikes, maybe. School's this way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta go. Just keep your balance. There we go. I'll park right. Okay, well, we're here. Yeah, you forgot your thing. Okay. Let's go to eat. That's good. Okay, what a wonderful day. Yes. Cook and some pizza. Thank you. Bye. This pizza's so homemade. Love pizza. I'm gonna finish my Coke. Girlie, I gotta head to the bathroom. Me too. I ate way too much. I'll go on this one. Oh, never mind. Oh! Seat. I didn't mean to, girlie. Okay, but that was pretty weird. I just went in the wrong one on accidentally. Okay. Why did you sit on the toilet before I went on it? Pretty disgusting. Oh, I gotta be right back. La 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 la. I really want to take a break of school. Well, in the afternoon. Well, see you later, girlie. See ya. Okay, I gotta head to my house. We're neighbors, so it's kind of awkward that we're neighbors. Wait, but we're not neighbors. I live at the lake house, plus with my yacht. Why are you following me? Oh yeah, because your house is right there. It's like a 1-minute drive. No, your house is right there. Not like far away. It's like right there. No, my house is you turn to the left and then there's my house. It's kind of close to yours, but not really. This is my yacht and this is my house. Oh, right. Sometimes you can have a play date. Yeah. Oh, I went the wrong way. Bye, girlie. See you later. Okay. La la la. Okay, I'm just gonna get out my house. Oh, finally, I am home. Home sweet home. I don't know how did I become rich with no parents. I mean, that's pretty insane. Oh, look at the beautiful sunset. Oh, I love just staring out the beautiful window. Isn't it wonderful? La la la, la 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 la. Oh, I can see my bestie's house right there. I wish I could go to her house right now. Okay, I'm gonna go pick her up. Oh, I forgot I gotta go grocery shopping today. Oh, wait, it's not the time yet. I forgot. It's not the time. Did I even get my driver's license? Oh, yeah, I did. Let's see what car can I order. Oh, this one looks totally so cute. I mean, it doesn't have to be a rich car. I mean, these are my favorite, especially pink. Okay, well, let's go to the store. We go. Girl! Oh, hey! Hey, you're going the wrong way. The grocery store's this way. Well, I usually go here by your house. You know, it's much easier. Well, I forgot where I'm going, and I just fell into the parking lot. Yeah, I'm going to the grocery store. Oh, girl, that's exciting. Me too. Really? Yeah. Oh my god, that's legit. I know. So soon. Come to my house. Okay. I feel like she's like following me. You know, when I went to the bathroom, she went with me too, and then she's going to the grocery store. That's pretty odd, but. No. I'm not going to the grocery store today, actually. Oh, okay. I'm going to dinner today. Really? Yes. Okay, girl. I didn't eat in like forever. Okay, but that was kind of strange because I thought you were following me, so. Following you? What do you mean? Yeah, last time you wanted to go to the bathroom. Okay, and then. Thank you. Okay, thanks. I'll just go grocery shopping. Oh, I really am on a diet right now, so I should pick like some healthy food. Maybe some apples could be great. I mean, pizza is sort of healthy. I mean, it still is junk food, but I don't know. Maybe I'll go with some water and stuff. You know, water is really healthy. It makes you gotta stay hydrated. Ugh, this won't work. I guess it has no water. Okay, what about some Gatorade? I mean, no Coca-Cola. Oh, well, let me just get out my credit card. Where is that credit card? Come on. Oh, right, I forgot to put it. Okay, there is my credit card. Okay, so here's all my stuff. Okay, my credit card. Thank you, bye. Thank you. Ugh, okay, now I'm gonna go put it in the truck. Oh, I parked awful. Whoops. Whoop. Okay, there. Okay. See you later, girl. See you later. Okay, maybe I'll go get Brick's Diners. I mean, you know, I already got some food. Maybe I'll just have some meat, you know. What is healthy here? This is good. I would rather get like something healthy, like spinach and stuff. I don't need a drink. I think I'm good. I'm just really hungry. Yum 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 yum. Oh, good. Time to pay.
Okay, let's go to get more gas.
I feel like I'm an adult, but I'm actually not. I'm still a teenager. I should probably go get some more gas, you know. I've been using this car like all day. Okay, park good. There. Perfect. Okay, well that's all good. Let's just welcome. Okay, now it is putting some gas in. I'll take it out when it's all done. Oh. All done. Okay, now I'm gonna pay.
This is hard. I don't even really have to.
There, I pay. Now I'm gonna go in the car wash. Who's gonna press this button for me? Oh, there we go. Okay. This is a wonderful.
I guess I'm gonna have to go closer. It's not that long anyway. No!
Oh, how long is this? Okay, all done. Wait, do I need to pay? I guess I don't. That's pretty awesome.
Okay, I paid.
Now I should maybe go, maybe have a workout. I mean, you know, I haven't worked out since a long time. Is there any bathrooms I can, like, change? I don't know. I'll just maybe, like, change here. What should I wear?
Let's go to the workout. I haven't worked out.
This is cute, and then we can wear, like, a shirt. There, let me just take off my accessories. There. Okay, well, I'm gonna head up and work out. Oh, I'm starting to get sweaty. Oof. Oof. Ooh, I feel like I'm an adult. Oh my god. Oof. Ooh. Oh, I hate this one. Oh, I can't even bend down that much. Oof. Oh, okay.
I can't go to the hospital.
I need a workout. I need some water. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Gotta keep working out. Oh, this is heavy. How can I even? Oh, oh. Okay, okay, gearing two. Oh, oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, this is hard. My back is about to crack down. I'm gonna call if my girlie's okay. Hey, girlie, what's going on?
I'm at the hospital.
Why? Oh my god, why?
I don't know. I just felt like my tummy hurt a little bit.
Okay, I'm coming there right now, girlie. Okay, I gotta change back. Let me change back. There. Okay, I definitely need to head back. This is not good. Oh my god. I can't believe this is happening. My bestie is at the hospital right now. Oh my god, I literally see her car. OMG. Okay guys, we're gonna do a part 2 for this. Bye!